Oh no. And great. What's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. My name's Elwin and today we're going to be playing some Roblox Build a Boat. So, we're just going to do a challenge real quick at the beginning. Let me invite whoever wants to join. The building time is 5 minutes. And then block limit, that's 1,000, more than enough. Car parts are allowed, plane parts are allowed, and PvP mode is on. Let's start this. Who's that? Okay. So now let's get this. Just in case if I die, I'm gonna put, I mean, not die, but like, if the jets fail, then this will work. Let's put some harpoons and stuff. Oh yeah, a seat is mandatory. We have to get a seat on. And we'll do the pilot seat. Or if I can find it. Yeah, there it is. Let's get some cannons geared up. Get all the potions. Just in case. Get some candy. For myself. Myself, no jetpacks, okay?
I'm not using jetpacks.
Okay. Put some cannons. Okay, I think we're mostly done. Let's just... Yeah, we're mostly done. Let's just add decoration. I know it looks messy, but it's worth it. I'm pretty sure we're gonna win this thing. There's no way we won't. 39 seconds to build, 15 seconds. I don't think there's anything more. Yeah, I don't see anything I want to add. Okay, here's mine. Let's see Michelle's. Oh, there's Michelle's. That's kind of smart, but the thing is, I'm not scared about safety. We're gonna be flying, so 10 seconds. Okay, no, that is bad. And Michelle's spinning there. Oh, I should put at least one. Okay, we're in Mushroom Land. Michelle's still in the... She's about to get to Mushroom. I'm gonna go easy on her. Let's go on land for a bit. Oh wait, she's rushing through. Never mind, I thought I saw her rushing. Oh, that. No. Can you get her? She's stuck. Did it work? Okay. Okay. Oh no. No. Shoot. Come on. Okay, Michelle's already at the alligator. Bro, what is this? Alright. We're kind of good for now. I hope. Wait, I think Michelle died. Okay, that was a close one. Let's see if we can make it though. Yeah, she definitely died. Oh yeah, there's her X mark spot. Oh wait, we have to beat that. We have to get there. Oh. Guys. Oh no. And great. I never knew I was falling. Where am I? Where am I? Yeah. Meatballs. And alligators. Come on, we have to beat that place. Come on. I can't touch it because if I touch those rocks, I immediately die. It's just a square now, my boat. And yeah, we won. Hey, another trophy. Okay, let's see the waterfall down there. Okay guys, here comes the waterfall. You guys think I can make it or not? Okay, oh no. Okay, I actually made it. I can't. And there's the treasure chest. I mean, it was easy to beat Michelle. Oh, okay, oh, wait. Yay, we made it. Let's burn it. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. And, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.